Hello everyone, my name is Ashna Jain. I am studying in class 3rd C. My sister principal name is Miss Nancy Elizabeth. Rose ma'am is my class teacher and supervisor too. Today I am going to tell a story of a great elephant. One day an elephant wandered into a jungle in search of friend. He saw a monkey on a tree. Elephant said, "Will you be my friend?" Monkey replied, "You are too big. You can't sing from trees like me." The next day, elephant met a rabbit. "Will you be my friend?" Rabbit replied, "You are too big. You can't play in my burrow." Then he went to the frog. "Will you be my friend?" Frog said, "How is it possible? You are too big. You can't leave a path like me." Elephant was upset. A fox appeared. He asked her, "Will you be happy to have a friend like me?" Fox replied, "Sorry sir, you are too big." The next day, elephant saw all the animals were running away for their lives. He asked the fox, "What is the matter?" Fox replied, "There is a lion and he is trying to kill all of us. We all are going to hide." Meanwhile, the lion kept eating up whoever he could find. The elephant went to the lion and said, "Please, Mr. Lion, don't eat up all these poor animals." Lion replied, "Mind your own business." The elephant had no choice but to give the lion a hefty kick. The frightened lion was scared and ran for his life. The elephant ambled back into the jungle and announced the good news to all. All the animals thanked him and said, "You are just right side to be our friend." The moral of the story is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you.